Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn what is an email and how to write an email. Now here we will see what is an email. An email is the method of composing, sending, storing and receiving messages over electronic communication system. Now students, email means what? It is one of the most common way of communication. An email is used to send messages by electronic means from one computer user to one or more receivers via a network. In short, we can say that an email is the fastest means of communication which enables us to share our experiences and ideas through computer. Let's see some basics about an email. An email stands for an electronic mail. It is the most preferred means of communication. Also, it is cheaper and faster means of communication. Other than this, there are other advantages of an email. That means it gives us a very quick distribution of messages. That means almost instant. And it is of low cost. Also, the operating methods are relatively simple. It can also be sent to many people at a time. That means one or more users in the computer. Next is it is almost eco-friendly method. That means it saves paper. Many organizations avoid using paper, and so they use emails. An email is of two types, a formal email and an informal email. A formal email can be written to companies, government departments, offices, school principals, or teachers. An informal email can be written to family, relatives, and friends. Let's see the format of an email writing. In the picture, you can see it's given from abc@gmail.com. This is nothing but sender's email ID, that is sender's address, followed by receiver's email ID or receiver's address, that is example xyz@gmail.com, followed by CC. CC means carbon copy. Carbon copy means the address in this block will get the copy of the email. That means we can share this copy to one or more receivers. Again, we have one more block, that is BCC, which means blind carbon copy. In this block, the email ID of the receivers will not be listed. That means receivers will not come to know about the other email IDs which are in this list or in this block. But anyways, while writing an email in an answer sheet, we have nothing to do with CC and BCC. So coming on to the subject, here we have to write a brief subject line. That means for what purpose you are writing the email. Now next comes is salutation, like dear sir or respected sir, followed by the body of the email, that is introduction, main content and conclusion. Here in introduction we have to introduce ourselves and the topic related to what we are writing in the email, and then comes main content. In detail we have to explain for what we are writing an email, and then conclusion, and yes, of course, then comes yours sincerely, that is complimentary close, and then signature, and again your name, designation and contact number if needed. Let us see a sample format. Write an email to your friend who has not contacted you for a long time. The answer is from vishal.shirke@navneet.com to pushpanm@xyz.com. CC. Subject: Hi Pushpa, where are you? You seem to have vanished from the face of the earth. I was busy with my standard 10th exams, aptitude tests, etc. But now they are finally over and I have got admission in the college of my choice. Yes, the very same college your sister studied from. It has an awesome reputation for the teaching of languages, and since I hope to become a linguist and translator someday, I thought this would be the ideal place. Classes have not yet started, the admission process is still going on. Anyway, Enough about me. I have not heard anything from you since you went to Bengaluru. Is the admission process going to be difficult for you? I hope not. After the wonderful marks you scored, how do you find the place? As great as Mumbai? Made many new friends there? Language must be a problem at the moment, but I'm sure you will pick it up fast. Now send me a mail ASAP. I want to know what is happening with you there and when I can visit you. Bye. Love to you and Tina and regards to your parents. Your friend Meenu. Hope this topic was clear to you all. Thank you.